Whoa, 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 there we are in the place of
Hi guys, welcome back to Teachers in Wonderland. I'm Stephanie. Today we're going to take a look at my unique, interesting,
quirky
China apartment. Previously we did a tour of Jamie's apartment, which is a much more traditional, typical, standard apartment here in Qingdao. However, then there are apartments
like mine.
First, let's talk about the things that I love about my apartment. The layout. I love the layout of my apartment. It is so big, open, and all the rooms are connected really well. I like that there's a really large kitchen in the middle of the apartment that's connected to all of the other rooms. We're in my kitchen now, and I wanted to show you because in Jamie's video, you saw that her refrigerator is actually really small. And for a long time, I was like, they are not. I am 160 centimeters or about 5'2", 5'3". In a second, I will pull the camera back so that you can see how much taller the fridge is than me.
So this is my fridge covered in lots of magnets.
It's pretty typical. So you've got the different bins. This is my like fruits and vegetables. This is mostly like condiments, peanut butter stuff, meats and eggs I put up here. And then usually I put like my milk and drinks and things like that up here. But I've also got some blueberries and yogurt as well. Down below though, I have 2 freezers. This is the one that I put my ice cubes in. I make all my ice cubes in there. And then the one below it, I don't really use. It's like a deep freeze and they have like really big drawers, but I don't put anything in them. This is my toaster oven that Jamie was talking about. It is a lot bigger than hers. I can cook about 4 chicken breasts at once with some vegetables in here. So I can get a lot of cooking done in it. It's a really good oven. Also behind me, you can see all of the cabinets. So I've got a lot of upper cabinets and storage areas. And then down below, there's also a lot of storage. Each of the rooms has a humongous set of windows, some of which have pretty nice views. And then of course, there's a ton of storage in my apartment in comparison to Jamie's apartment, which is kind of poor for storage. My apartment has tons of it. I have lots of built-in cabinets, I have a walk-in closet, and I've got lots of cabinetry in the kitchen that holds a lot of my stuff. The bathroom. So in my apartment, my bathroom is like bathroom and laundry room because I have my washing machine and my drying racks in my bathroom. I'm walking into my bathroom now and the curtains are closed because the light is really bright. Also, it's a bit messy because I'm packing right now because I'm getting ready to go on holiday for the summer. But I wanted to quickly show you guys just kind of what the room is like. It's a really big space. And I have a big mirror. I've got my shower area. I also really like that the vanity is in the shower. I can wash my face, brush my teeth, take my shower, do everything I need to do all in one area. I don't need to move. All of the wet stuff gets contained within the shower area, which I really like. My art space. One of the reasons that I rented this apartment in particular is because I wanted to have more space to work on my own art. I am an art teacher. A lot of my year is spent creating new projects for my students, but I want to focus more on my own work in my free time. So I wanted to have that space created so that I would be more likely to just go at my leisure and start trying to make things, which has helped a lot this year. I've made a lot of new artworks, which I'm really proud of. The space that I used is my living area. So I have half of my living area is art space and the other half is just like an entertainment room. And it's also where me and Jamie usually film videos. Please excuse this commercial break.
Do you like fuzzy green cloud wallpaper? Grandma's brocade brown curtains? Mirrored cabinets? What about leather bed frames? Have you always wanted a urinal in your shower that's not hooked up to anything? What about chandeliers? Have you ever wanted to have a 50+ pound death trap hanging above your bed? Have you ever thought, this room is missing its liability? What about water damage? Well, you're in luck. Available this August 2018, Stephanie's apartment. No stadiums, no throwing trash from windows, no murdering on yourself or others, no talking to the landlord, no yelling at the landlord, no asking the landlord any questions of any kind at any time, no stealing from the landlord, no taking the furniture out of the apartment, no selling of the furniture in the apartment, no complaining about water damages, nothing will be replaced after water damage, and murders need not apply.
Despite the many quirks of this apartment, I have really loved living here. It's been a nice quiet space where I could go and chill in my unicorn pajamas, create artwork, corral all of my animal mugs and unicorn statues. This apartment is super weird. There's lots of really strange stuff, but I feel like it has only complemented the weird things that I brought into it. Between all of my artwork, my weird pillows, animal mugs, unicorn stuff, it's all kind of meshed together really well. Although it's strange and none of it actually goes together in So hopefully you enjoyed this very unique house tour of my apartment here in Qingdao. Now what we want to know is, what are some interesting things about your apartment? What are some quirky things that you really enjoy or that others find interesting about your apartment? Please comment down below with your answers. Also remember to send us any questions so that we can continue making videos that help you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bells down below so that you can be notified whenever we post new content, hopefully to answer your questions. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye! This is my beauty area. And when I say beauty area, I mean it houses all the crap that I do to my face in the morning. Also holds some of the little trinkets that I've got as gifts from other people. So over here is Share Monkey. Share Monkey is named Share Monkey because she used to wear a large black wig. This is a monkey actually that my nephews gave me, and they recorded We Love You, Aunt Steph, and I'm gonna let you hear it. Oh my gosh, they were so little when they were so cute. It's so cute.
Got fairies and unicorns and little weird, they look like dresses on top of huts to me, but you know, to each his own.
And then there's, you know, the infamous urinal that's hooked up to nothing. There's just a big hole in the floor underneath it. So yeah, I don't really understand what's so great about it.